Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix no sound on a Lenovo laptop, or it could be there's no volume at all. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix, go ahead and go to your search bar. Now type down control panel, like so. Click on it. Wait for it to load. Now go to the top right. Make sure that you're under large icons. Now, once done, click on sound. Wait for it, and there will be a pop-up right here. Okay. Now go ahead and find your speakers or maybe headphones. Okay, right click on the device that you're trying to fix. Then just click on properties. And here go ahead over to levels and try to amp it up. Okay, and check if it helps. Now there might be some cases where your device right here doesn't correctly select the correct audio output. So click on select the sound output right here and play around with these options. You might have a ton of output devices connected. Okay, just play around until you hear a sound. Or maybe you have installed a third-party software that requires audio output. Okay, this method right here will work. Now, go ahead over to enhancement right here, disable enhancements and hit on apply. And also under advanced, default format, try the lowest one, and check if it helps. You can test it right here. Hit on OK. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if you have a separate audio device, it could be a headset, headphones, earphones, however you want to call it, or maybe a Bluetooth headphone, or headset, or a wired output device, you can go ahead and use them. Check if it helps. If it works, it's a problem with your speaker itself. Now, if it's a problem on your speakers or laptop speakers, well, you can go ahead and get a checked by a local technician, Or you could just go ahead and buy an external speaker. But before you do that, we still have one or two options right here. Just go ahead over to your search bar, type down system updates. Click on check for updates right here. Now click on check for updates at the top right. Now make sure that everything right here in the list are installed. After that, it will require you to restart your computer. Well, don't restart your computer yet. Click on advanced options and click on optional updates. In here in this list, make sure that you select all and click on download and install. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and restart your computer and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.